Hi everyone, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a video about a board that I actually made a video last week, I believe. This main board that was sent to us for repair, and subsequently customers sent more boards. The complaint for that board was it is for LG60PN5700-UA, and the customer said TV turn on and after a couple of seconds switch off. TV repair serviced, by which he meant local TV repair service tested. The problem is in the main board. I found a number of the board. He sent us the board. I made a video last week with that board. It was working. We spoke with the customer what could be causing it. Without the main board, he could not properly start the TV. To see whether you could not do the usual test of whether it may be one of the sustain boards that is causing the shutdown. Where is the power? What is it? So he ended up sending us the sustain boards as the other most commonly failing thing in that TV. This is a unique marking that I put there, number 1. This is another unique marking there for the bottom board, number 2. This is where I wrote number 3 on his main board. Last week, I believe I did not show on the back side of the board. There was customer's initials somewhere, VD. All of those boards work. And the reason I'm making this video is because we told him to get in touch with his local TV repair company and tell them that their diagnosis is incorrect. He told us that he paid them a good amount of money, and we told him to just ask for the money back. And he said that no, this is what the problem is. So this video is for him, it is for them. This is another 60-inch model which just uses that board, and it works, and it uses the same sustain board apparently, otherwise this would not work and it would fail. It has a local remote sensor which I'm using to turn on, and this is what you get. The green image here is because this cable makes bad contact because the board is not firmly attached. Let me see if I can fix that. Should be fine now. Yep. Well, not yet, but let me go and touch it. There you go. Because we test so many boards, the flat ribbon cables frequently go wearing out, and we don't change them every other time. It's just when the board waits on the cable, the ends of this fairly simple and poor contact are not so good. So main board working fine, sustain board's working. This is what you have. So I challenged the guys who charged that customer, if he needed a repair, we would be charging him for a repair, and we will make more money, actually make money, than just tell him that those boards are working. We have no reasons whatsoever to be creating an issue for someone. We have no issue to be charging less money. We have no reason to be charging less money to a customer than what we should have. Those are our original buffer boards. Those are our original sustain boards. Again, those are all the customers' boards in the TV. That is the main, the Y, and the 2 buffers. Let us know, guys. Why did you charge that customer and told him that the problem is in his main board when very apparently it isn't? And please return him his money because he wants that TV working. It's just that he has spent so much money so far trying to diagnose the problem. It just doesn't make sense financially. He just had a bad luck to run into someone who took his money and didn't provide him with a solution. So please do that, or get us in touch with us to see what we can do about it. Thank you.